I'm going to show you why the power triangle is the key to every swing and why Perfect Connection is the only piece of equipment that provides overall proper swing mechanics with a built-in self-check mechanism. This is why all my LPGA, PGA, and Champion Tour players, as well as aspiring young players, keep it in their bag. Connextion. You've heard about it, but not a lot of people know how to get it. One thing is absolutely certain. It's the one thing that all professional golf swings have in common, and almost all amateurs lack. The Connextion creates and maintains the power triangle. If you want to improve, you have to get connected. Put the power triangle in your swing. Engage the big muscles of your body with the speed of the shaft. Man, that's the pow in the power. Simple, fast, and unforgettable. That's power that comes from Perfect Connection. Perfect Connection does all the work for you. Simply turn the bar to perform your backswing, and then turn the bar all the way until you're facing the target. That's it. By maintaining the power triangle, that Perfect Connection automatically forms and maintains throughout your backswing, impact, and a follow-through. It's going to guarantee your ball striking to improve. Your scores are going to obviously get better. What you will feel and see is the power produced by being connected. People always ask me how they can reduce their putts, and the answer is simple. Chip it closer. Most golfers are challenged to chip with control and accuracy, and this mainly occurs because they're not connected. If you're not connected, they're going to have the hindrance of the small muscles jumping into the stroke. The Perfect Connection puts the same power triangle needed in your chipping and bunker stroke. Your scores around the green are going to come tumbling down. You simply locate the Perfect Connection at your elbows. Now, move the bar back and through at an even tempo. It's that simple to become a great chipper. You'll feel how the big muscles are engaged to promote the proper chipping technique. Effective putting is the same story as an effective chipping stroke or the full swing. You have to be connected to eliminate the small muscle demons. If the power triangle isn't in your putting stroke, better putting probably isn't in your future. And that's the truth. Place the Perfect Connection at your elbows. Now, to have absolute confidence in speed and in your line, simply move the bar back and through at an even tempo. How many times have you addressed the ball to have your teacher tell you, square up, you're open, you're closed, or place a club along the ground or your shoulders or your hips to see if you're aiming at the target? Now you can see for yourself. With the built-in self-check bar, you can immediately see if you're open, closed, or square. What that means is, if the golf club is your target line, if the bar across my arms is aiming left, then I'm open. If the bar is aiming to the right, then my shoulders are closed. If the bar is parallel to your target line, then you're square. With the built-in self-check bar, you can see all the faults that were previously difficult to sense or properly reference. Besides the bar being a built-in self-check mechanism, it's rigid, so you can feel the big connected muscles do all the work. Just turn the bar away on your backswing, then turn it all the way to the finish until you're facing the target. The most common mistake is to start with your hands. We've all seen it, we've all done it at some point. You're either getting flippy, the club gets behind you, or gets inside. The most ideal thing to do is to lead with the bar. If the bar is not parallel to the ground at all parts of the swing, then you had to do some type of manipulation to recover. So you can check at address. Is the bar too tilted this way? If the right shoulder is too low, then you've put a crimp in your spine on this side. You can't turn. it's going to force you to do some type of sway. If the bar is tilted this way, then you're going to tilt toward the golf ball and reverse pivot. The idea is to maintain, to keep this bar parallel to the ground, your chest facing the target. So if I'm able to maintain a levelness of this bar, I'm going to eliminate a ton of errant shots. If the bar tilts this way, then I'm going to untilt this way. The club head's going to pass my hands. I'm either going to hit it fat, hit it thin, and most likely hook it on top of it. By keeping this bar parallel to the ground, it allows me to open without coming over the top, and it allows you weight to shift to your left side so that your follow through, everything is square. The bar is pivotal to you knowing, seeing, feeling, and learning the proper mechanics. Perfect connection. The power to improve. Golf is a game of forgetting. We forget what we should remember, and we remember what we should forget. The perfect connection gives you perfect learning because it's learning you'll never forget. Because you learn for yourself with your own sense of feel and sight. It doesn't ask your mind to think what's right, it lets your body feel what's right. You have no choice but to execute correctly. It's fast, easy, and it's unforgettable. Perfect connection is the only thing that you can put in your golf bag that will guarantee the power to improve.